Okay, lesson 7.4 is about areas of trapezoids, rhombuses, and kites. And the first objective is to find the area of a trapezoid. The second is to find the area of a rhombus or kite. So, first, vocabulary and key concepts. Theorem 7.10 is about the area of a trapezoid. And it says that the area of a trapezoid is half the product of the sum of the bases times height. So half the sum of the bases, so base 1 plus base 2, times the height. So you're going to add the top and the bottom base, multiply times the half, multiply times the height. Then theorem 7.11 is about the area of a rhombus or a kite. And the area of a rhombus or a kite is half the product of the lengths of its diagonals. So half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay, then the height of the trapezoid. The height of a trapezoid is the perpendicular distance h between the bases. So right here, this dotted line is the height. Okay, then the bottom line that's parallel to the top line, those two are bases, and then each side is called a leg. Okay, so we have some examples. First is applying the area of a trapezoid. So first, area equals 1/2 times height times the sum of base 1 plus base 2. That's the area of the trapezoid. They just wrote it in a little bit different order than we did up here. So 1/2 times the height is 18, and the sum of the bases is 20 plus 36. So we substituted 18 for height, 20 for base 1, and 36 for base 2. So if we do 20 plus 18 and multiply that all out, we get 684. So the area of the car window is 684 inches. Okay, we are going to go ahead and skip number 2. There are a couple check for understanding problems here. So first, find the area of a trapezoid. Then we're going to skip number 2 in the check for understanding problems as well. Alright, so now we're looking at example 3, finding the area of a kite. Find the area of x, y, z, w. Find the lengths of diagonals of the kite x, y, z, w. So, x, z is diagonal 1, and that would be 3 plus 3, which is 6. YW is diagonal 2, and that would be 4 plus 1, which is 5. So we know that the area of a kite is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Well, we know that diagonal 1 is 6 and diagonal 2 is 5, so it's 1/2 times 6 times 5, which would be 15. So the area of kite XYZW is 15 centimeters squared. We are also going to skip number 4. You do have a check for understanding problem to do. Find the area of a kite with the diagonals that are 12 inches and 9 inches. And then you get to skip number 4 on the check for understanding problems as well. So that is it for 7.4. Go ahead and try the 2 check for understanding problems that are left. When you're done, check your answers in the video, and if you have any questions, just let me know.